It's wintertime, and as a registered dietitian, I see people struggling with a couple of different things: mood, getting sick constantly, and also dry skin. So I'm gonna share with you 4 supplements that can help get you through the wintertime. First up, we have Here Comes the Sun, which is a vitamin D supplement. Now, a lot of us know that we get vitamin D from being exposed to the sun. So during winter, we're getting less sun exposure, which means less vitamin D. Now, this is a problem because vitamin D is really important for hormone regulation. It impacts our digestion, so it's a really critical nutrient to have. It also impacts our mood. So that's why you hear the phrase winter blues. Supplementing with vitamin D3 specifically is critical because it's the most absorbable form of vitamin D. So Here Comes the Sun is going to help you get adequate amounts of vitamin D to make you feel better during the wintertime. Supplement number 2 is Glow Sweet Glow. This is so good for hydrated skin. Now, as it gets colder, a lot of times we're using heat, and that can just suck moisture out of our skin. Glow Sweet Glow has hyaluronic acid, which helps trap moisture into our skin, and it also has vitamin C and vitamin E. They're both powerful antioxidants, and they're important for maintaining our immune system. So this one kind of has a double quality to it. The third supplement that I love is Mytnight, because this has 2 really important purposes. One is optimizing sleep and also helping with your skin. So as we talked about, winter is very drying on the skin. Mytnight will help keep that skin hydrated. It has ceramides, which helps with skin cell barrier, so it does help lock in moisture. And also, with our immune systems being under attack in the wintertime and just getting sick more frequently, having adequate sleep is so crucial for overall health and making sure your immune system is strong. And the final supplement that I love during wintertime for hydrated, healthy-looking skin is Arctic Repair. It has lingonseed berries, which are a very healthy oil, and they have healthy fats in them. Fats are critical for our skin since our skin essentially is made up of fat. Fat plays a role in protecting the skin and keeping hydration locked in. So getting an adequate amount of healthy fats from lingonseed berries is very important. It's going to give you omega-3s, omega-6s, and that's going to help keep the quality and texture of your skin at its best during the wintertime. So there you have it. Those are my 4 favorite supplements for getting through the winter, staying hydrated and healthy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will see you guys soon. So as a registered dietitian, I'm gonna give you my 4 favorite supplements to help combat the winter frustrations.
Too much more.